Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's video, I will be teaching you how to make the compact cluster V-stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, and you will need to know how to make the half double crochet stitch. I have videos on both of those, and I will have them listed down below. I do already have a video on the regular cluster V-stitch, if you want to be familiar with how this is going to work, and I will have that listed down below as well. I have already made a little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. I have already made the compact cluster V-stitch in the body of my swatch, so this is how it's going to look. And I have already made two chains over here on my hook. If you are starting from the very beginning working chains, I worked a multiple of 2. I then started working my compact cluster V's into the third chain for my hook. I then skipped 2, worked 1, skipped 2, worked 1, and then just continued there for my first row. I'm going to show you how you will continue on this row that I'm currently working. So as you can see from the previous compact clusters, there's going to be a little opening right here at the top of them. That's actually where you're going to be working into. So you're going to work 1 half double crochet into that opening, and then work a second one into that same space. You're then going to chain 1, and you're going to work another one into that same space, and then 1 more for a total of 4 half double crochet stitches in that space plus 1 chain. And that is going to be the compact cluster V-stitch. That's 1 made. You're then going to skip over this opening. You're going to still work into the top of the previous compact cluster V's. So 1 half double, 2 half doubles, 1 chain, 3 half doubles, and the 4th. And then you would continue this pattern. You're always going to work into the top. You're never going to work in between them. So move over to this one, work a half double, second half double, 1 chain, third half double, all in the same space, then the 4th, all in the same space. Skip over to this one over here, 1 half double, second half double, chain 1, third half double, and 4th half double. Skip over to this one, 1 half double, 2 half double, chain 1, that third one in that same space, and that 4th one. Skip over to this last one, 1 half double, second half double in that same space, chain 1, third in that same space, and the 4th half double, all in that same space. You're then going to work 1 half double crochet into this last space or stitch right here, because it's going to match this chain 2 that we made at the very beginning of our row. So it's all going to match. You would then repeat this row for any future rows that you want to make of these. So that is going to be how to make the compact cluster V-stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos or tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here. Have a great day.